Academic ki oiba short term program sing oza oriba khudimangna tangai phadani yawba mathau tai haina Manipur University gi Professor L Lokendra na phongdokrai Malabia Mission Teacher Training Center Manipur University na sinduna University asigi court holding asidagi horga numit taruk ni sumna sathagadaba short term program STP on Advance in Artificial Intelligence and Data Science hogdokpagi thoromga mari lenena waphamasi Professor L Lokendra na phongdokhibani thoromaduda Implementation Committee New Education Policy Lisingani Kungi Amadi UGC Northeast ki members oriba Professor Iram Gambhir Manipur University gi MMTTC gi Director Professor RK Bubon Amadi Manipur University gi Department of Computer Science ki Head of Department Dr. Khumuksam Robindro Su Sarugya Professor L Lokendra na makhatana phongdokhibada Artificial Intelligence and Science hariba hiramasi hojiki matamga yamna sunaba topic amani oza oriba khudibangna mahangna tamlakliba mahi amadi hairiba aduna loire haiba yaroi tonganba skill amadi hojiki modern society da sanariba data science ka loinana digital world asisu khangma mathau tai artificial intelligence asida mahusagi sanabigi lamda khangna bahona ba amadi data science ki matengna hojik oriba health education ga loinana honglakliba matamasigi sanabi khangadabani haiki.
And we have just listened that artificial intelligence has permeated in each and every aspect of our life, be it education system, healthcare system, management system, everything. It is permeated in some form or other. Therefore, the need of the hour is to train ourselves. The need of the hour is to make ourselves properly skilled, properly informed and properly trained in this area of artificial intelligence and machine learning so that we can grapple with, we can tackle with all sort of challenges that come across in our day-to-day life, in our workplace, in the hospitals, say, in the railways, in the metros, because in some form or other, artificial intelligence, when we are sleeping, scientists all across the globe, they are working on how to, make this artificial intelligence grow, how to make this artificial intelligence usable, for the overall growth and development in the production system. That is why the initiative being taken up by Madan Mohan Malviya Teachers Training Center for this short-term course is the need of the hour. At a time when technology is redefining education, research, governance, artificial intelligence and data science have become essential tools, not just for engineers and scientists or researchers or students, but for a great majority of the people in our society all across discipline. We need to be aware of this. Artificial intelligence is now powering intelligent tutoring system, automated assessment, and even research analysis. Data science is helping us uncover patterns in educational data, enabling evidence-based decisions in academic planning. These are technologies that faculty members can leverage in both teaching and research. This particular program introduces core concepts like machine learning models, deep learning frameworks, data pre-processing, and the model evaluation technique, all of which can be directly applied using open source platform and web accessible tools.
Moirang Leisangbam Laikai Daliba Kori Kaitel Larembigi Mapam Adungai Kambabu Laibak Miam Kangna Kaitel Mamangda Samu Konet Nakiba Mapamasida Marembam Inauna Mahaki Inkolda Irat Honi Tauribasida Kori Kaitel Asigasu Puariga Sagona Duna Kambabu Samu Konet Nakibagi Mitamamangasi Hangdokrai Mitamadu Moirang Assembly Constituency MLA Tongam Santina Maikum Hangdoktuna Miam the Kusinaki MLA Tongam Santina Fongdokibada Maihorolda Hauna Leraklaba Aikogi Pazakraba Nat Chanabi Kiabu Aikoina Yokatana Karana Sulak Laga Yokat Pigada Banate ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯤꯡꯖꯦꯜ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯅ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯃꯤꯟꯅꯗꯨꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯇꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯔꯣꯜꯅ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯍꯧꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯃꯤꯇꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯀꯠꯂꯤꯕ ꯃꯥꯏꯔꯦꯝꯕꯝ ꯏꯅꯥꯎꯅ ꯄꯥꯏꯈꯠꯂꯤꯕ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅꯁꯨ ꯁꯦꯡꯂꯕ ꯀꯪꯂꯩꯔꯣꯜꯒ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯌꯣꯛꯈꯠꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯈꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯔꯥꯡ ꯀꯪꯂꯩꯔꯣꯜꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯥꯒꯣꯟꯅꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯀꯩꯊꯦꯜ ꯃꯥꯄꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯡ MLAꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯠꯌꯦꯡ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ KK ꯃꯣꯏꯔꯥꯡ ꯀꯪꯂꯩꯔꯣꯜ ꯀꯟꯕ ꯂꯨꯞꯅ ꯃꯄꯨꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯥꯡ ꯂꯧꯗꯨꯅ CSOꯁꯤꯡꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯇꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯔꯣꯜꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯁꯛꯇꯥꯛꯅꯨꯡ ꯑꯃꯃꯝ ꯁꯦꯝꯗꯨꯅ ꯊꯝꯂꯤꯕꯅꯤ
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯟꯅꯥꯏ ꯀꯟꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯔꯝꯄꯔꯥꯗꯒꯤ ꯆꯠꯅꯔꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯣ ꯀꯥꯎꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕꯗꯨꯅ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯨꯟꯅꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯃꯤꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯁꯤꯟꯅꯈꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯀꯜꯆꯔ ꯑꯥꯏꯗꯦꯟꯇꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯠꯅ ꯀꯥꯡꯂꯣꯟ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯨꯝꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯃꯥꯡꯍꯜꯂꯛꯑꯒ ꯃꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯧ ꯇꯝꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯛꯄꯗꯒꯤꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯣꯏ ꯇꯥꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯟꯖ ꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣ ꯃꯇꯧ ꯀꯟꯕ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯆꯠꯂꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯀꯟꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤꯁꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯀꯠꯊꯣꯛꯆꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯅꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯔꯥꯡꯗ ꯀꯩꯊꯦꯜ ꯃꯥꯄꯟ ꯂꯩꯕꯗꯨ ꯃꯁꯛ ꯇꯥꯛꯅꯕ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯅ ꯇꯥꯛꯄꯤꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯃꯣꯏꯔꯥꯡꯗ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏ ꯅꯤꯄꯥꯜ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯦꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏ 32 ꯁꯨꯔꯦ ꯑꯁꯦꯡꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯕ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏ ꯅꯤꯄꯥꯜꯗꯣ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯕ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯜꯆꯔ ꯌꯣꯛꯈꯠꯁꯦ ꯇꯥꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯔꯥꯡ ꯀꯪꯂꯩꯔꯣꯜ ꯀꯟꯕ ꯂꯨꯞꯅꯅꯤ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯒꯦꯔꯦꯜ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗꯗꯤ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯔꯛꯑꯣ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯂꯩꯕꯗꯣ MLAꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯕꯨ ꯆꯩꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ
Department of Teacher Education Manipur University na sahi khudingi pangthoktuna lakpa Community Contact Program gi sargom oina academic session 2023 gi oina ngasi Thanga Khulgi Haureng Singyang Community Hall da educational field visit cum Community Contact Program gi thoram pangthokrai thoram maduda United Club Thanga gi Vice President All Thanga Apunba Maira Paibi Loop ki President Secretary Co-Convener Treasurer yauna Department of Teacher Education Manipur University gi faculty members singa saruk yakhi Community Contact Program gi manungsana trainees singi house mari khaidoktuna yumthong khudingda sangduna makhogi punsi mahingi matangda data khongbotuna field service athaki oza singna community level da logodaba thodang amadi miyam gi damak kariguma khara taunabagi wakhalonda yumpham oirga program asi pangthokpune haina program coordinator Dr. Songtham Tombana phongdokhi mangna haikibada field survey gi apunba report ama university da langkhatuna makha tana Lenga ki mari leinabo authority singda piduna miyam gi yaiphanaba thabak thoram paikhatpada mateng oiragani thoram gi sargu amoina thanga singkha community hall da hangliba relief camp ta leiriba mahairoi singi damak mathau taba polam sing firol amadi sana thanaba polam sing mateng pikhi department asigi teaching non teaching staff sing amadi training sing na pulga labnam asida hanagum ingtapa amadi angduletaba phibam hanjilaknaba isorgi mafam da su thawni ki
oza singi training to bamba tamda ikon kari to gudage ha kanda only for the teaching plannings makoi da karam na like tak kadage karam na nakoi school da angang sing bu loina gadage haiba adu khakta na tam aikoi na samaj le leiba aikoi gi defense aikoi gi leiba community sing sida aikoi na contact to ga makoi gi hingbagi mahing kamani hingibagi akoi makoi gi lifestyle kamain to ibagi haiba survey ama aikoi lawe haraga university authority da aikoi na madu pisanjare haraga aduga madu university authority na mu government da mu piraga kano sigi lekai sigi samaj sigi sothariba aikoi na piriba findings da government na kari mating pangba yabagi haibagi adugumbagi facility ni aikoi na madu gi pandam not only for the ngasi sida wana leriba aigi yum dagi chenthora aga masida leiba habse nungai ba phibam dinati mitagi pi taba ngani ekoi su nungai chi ekoi su ada lei haidana ekoi nungai da dinati ekoi gi imai cha ekoi gi I la iba ekoi iroi cha sida sum ba condition am da lei habse ekoi si educated person ekoi phamu da tumda ekoi su adum khali karam na lenam gadage karam na sarang gadage karam na khoi gi masak sin lai tam gadage ha so khoi khoi support